Well, it sounds like Breaking Bad on steroids. That's kind of the impression you get when you hear just how bad the meth problem is in San Diego County. The drug is making a huge comeback.
Forget what you thought you knew about meth. Gone are the days when individuals would cook it up in apartments, trailers, and rural areas. Meth is big business.
This mystery man I've been chasing for the better part of a year. Cooks the purest meth that me or anyone else has ever seen.
Walt's super lab in the show Breaking Bad is now more the reality. The meth strike force in San Diego County is giving its annual report card.
Meth means death.
San Diego County Supervisor Diane Jacobs says we're in the crosshairs of the Mexican drug cartels. Law enforcement says most of the meth is smuggled over the border, sometimes via drones. Maybe even more surprising, the cooks.
And these laboratories are being staffed by university-educated, highly trained chemists.
This chart shows meth arrests, seizures, and deaths. Though down slightly from 2013, the numbers have skyrocketed since 2010. U.S. Attorney Laura Duffy calls meth a quadruple threat.
It's pure, it's inexpensive, it's highly addictive, and it's widely available.
And the rise of meth appears to be fueling crime, judging by the people in jail.
45% of the people arrested in San Diego County tested positive for methamphetamine in our jail.
So the takeaway message from the press conference today, prevention and youth outreach, both keys. The county, of course, has a hotline. If anybody needs help with this, we have the number listed on 10news.com.